What's up, guys? Welcome to Tea with Tiasia. My name is Tiasia Cockrell and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you guys are hopping in with me. Today we are working on a U-part wig. Okay, so if this is your first time, come on in the house, come on in this room, y'all. I focus on hair, beauty, and fashion, so I'm gonna show you how to look bomb from head to toe. So basically, this is the U part that I have on right now. I'm going to show you how I was looking right here. Okay, this is how I started off with my actual hair. Okay, and then I'm going to throw on this U part wig and create this look. Okay, so I forgot to mention what an actual U part wig is. So pretty much wigs go from either a closure wig or frontal wig or a U part wig, meaning that you're going to have some hair out at the top or the side. So for this one, I'm going to do a side part. So my hair is out right here, and what I do is I put the U part wig around my leave out, and then I just comb my hair over the wig. I have 3 clips at the top, so I have a clip right here, and right here, and then combs in the back just to kind of comb into my hair so it can be really secure. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you are installing a U-part wig is part your hair. So if you want to do a side part, a middle part, however you want to do it, we're going to do it that way. So I'm going to do a kind of like a pullover kind of part. So I'm going to go ahead and just part a little bit outside of where I wanted to part it. So if you want your part right here, we're going to part a little bit outside of that so you can have room to cover your the track for that wig. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and part that, and then where my middle part is, just come over just a little. So you want to make kind of like a square shape like that. Make sure you have enough to cover up both sides. You just take that piece and put it there. And then we're going to take some outside pieces, and then we're going to go ahead and take it over to the other side. Just part it all the way down and around. Now your parts don't have to be super like, you don't have to be perfect, but just make sure you get a good amount. Now if you want to, you can go ahead and take some in the back and just pull some out as well, and you are ready. The ponytail left in the back, we're going to just twist it up. Now you can either go ahead and braid it down, twist it, or however you want to put your hair away. Because my hair is straight right now and it's usually natural, I'm going to preserve my straightness. So I'm going to take a little scrunchie and just make me a little hair ball. My hair is not super thick, so it won't like really come through the wig. So next we are going to take our wig and install her, the best part. So as you guys can see, the wig has 3 clips. Now I usually make my own wigs, but I bought this one. It's constructed very well. So we have 3 clips and then 3 combs in the back, and then we have the straps at the bottom. My head is pretty round and small, so it's kind of like a big head but small head. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put that wig on. So it is a side part, so I'm gonna put it to the side a little bit. Now it's going to make a U shape, just like the part you made at the top of your head. You're going to undo those combs or clips if you have any, and just place them right outside of that part you made. Now you don't want to put it too close to the front because you want your hair to cover it up, remember? So we're going to do that one, and then I have one in the back where I'm going to clip, and then one in the front. Now I'm going to take the back and just put those combs where they need to make sure it's fully secure. Okay, now we're going to take the top of our little bun and undo that. Okay, so I took that hair out, that little pony at the top, and I made a little part. Make sure I part it all the way I want it. Remember I said you want to make sure you part on the outside of the part that you want to part. I know it's confusing, but you know what I'm saying. Make sure you are covering all the tracks. So tracks in the back, tracks in the front. Just keep combing over until it's blended how you want it to blend. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, this is my signature. I always have a baby or some sideburns, so I just pull out some hair right there. I'm a tuck that one in the back, and then fluff out the front. And honey, we got us a look. What was that, 5 minutes? 5 minute little hairdo, flip do? Yes. So this is the end of the video. I hope this helped my homegirls out there. If you want to try a U-part wig, honey, I got you. Just follow these steps. And also, if you wanted to shift your part from the side part to the middle part, you're going to do the same exact thing. Just make sure you are parting in the middle and you're going to be cool. Okay, don't forget to send this video to your homegirls and everybody else you think will love this video. Okay, and then like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see my next coming videos, honey. Okay, other than that, I will see you guys next video. Bye.